Hey guys, so today I just want to do this news that I've finally reversed the Mystics. This is probably my first video of them reversed. I haven't turned them on yet, but I'll do that in a second. I just want to show you how dirty the pull chains are. I need to climb the ladder. I am scared of climbing ladders. I'm not sure if I can show it because hopefully I can. But if I get up here, just look how dirty they are. See if I can rest my hand. Even if I pull the light, it's still fine. This one right here would be for the speed, and the other one reversed. Okay, so let's shut them on. Oh, that does not sound good. So, okay. Anyway, let's turn them on. Just put them on low. You can tell they are reversed. Still hear the buzz. Let's turn them on a little bit more. They are noisy, but because they're on a dimmer, I need to get a new like a 3-speed control. Yep, this one's wobbly. When I was cleaning, and actually I was cleaning these, they're starting to go a little fast, but yeah, this third is pretty bad wobble thing. It honestly looks like it's gonna fall. I'm just gonna turn them down a little bit. I remember in one video I had them on medium, but I'm not sure what it's gonna do on reverse, but yeah. Yeah, they are pretty good. Let's turn them a little faster. Call them the wobbles. That's what I call it. This one's pretty good, honestly. This one does not wobble at all. Even when I was cleaning it. How is it not fast enough? Yeah. I'm not sure if you can hear them buzzing, but yeah. And I believe, and if you see a really wobbly ceiling fan, it will not fall down. Because there's like a safety cable, I believe, in them. Yeah, you can tell when it gets to medium, it starts to like stop, technically. So, yeah. This one's probably my favorite. And there's a lot of flies up there, so yeah. I can turn them a little faster, but not much. Yeah. The wobble actually starts to stop a little bit. Yeah, look at the pull chains there. Yeah, it starts to go crazy when it gets to high, so I think I have one video of them really close to high. These things are noisy. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear them, but yeah. Yeah. It's barely wobbling, but yeah, it's like a really shaky small. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm trying to hold the camera as steady as possible, but I'm really bad at that. Ugh. Yeah. I can turn them slightly faster. I'm not sure how it. Right now, I think. Now it's starting to wobble really. I'm gonna turn it down a little. Yeah. Yeah, so that's him on reverse. I've never, even on my videos, I've never had them on reverse, but yeah. Yeah. You can tell the pull chains go crazy because it must be windy up there. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see you later. Bye.